Hey guys, welcome to another video. So if you're watching and you are on the lookout for a high paying career which you can use to earn a six-figure income, keep watching. This is for you. Here is a high paying career which you can obtain without having a college degree. This could allow you to earn a six-figure income with just having high school education. Now, if you've been watching most of my videos on personal finances, tips and strategies, you would have noticed that I'm currently posting a lot of videos on high paying career jobs which you can use to earn over six-figure or a seven-figure or eight-figure income without having a college diploma, and this is another one of those videos. Before we go any further, I'm gonna ask you, please, if advertisements should interrupt this video, please patiently wait for them to finish, because this is how the creator of this video gets compensated for providing you with this information and for trying to help you. So thank you so much for allowing those advertisements to play. I know they can be a little pesky sometimes, but that's how I benefit from it. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Being a construction contractor or site supervisor is a lucrative career opportunity, and I've done some research on that, and yes, the information which I'm providing, it's true. It's not just something which I've made up. I have spoken to people who are in this field and I've gotten some feedback, and I'm bringing the information to you. So this can be a very lucrative career opportunity with the earning potential of over $70,000 to over $200,000 per year. And yes, that's without having a college degree, as I'm gonna show you how that works in a little bit. Contrary to popular beliefs, earning a six-figure income doesn't always require a college degree. With the right combination of skill, hustle, and experience, there are several career paths open to those who just have a high school diploma. Now, let's look at the path to getting started. And again, this is based upon the information I've received from somebody who is in the construction business, and they are working their way up and they're well on their way. Okay, so let me share that with you. The path to getting started. You can get started as a general labor. Then you work your way up, learning project management and blueprint reading. Over time, you get licensed as a general contractor and start managing your own projects. Yes, this will take some motivation and determination, but it can be done. You will be well on your way to making $70,000 to over $200,000 per year without having a college degree. And I have a friend who he works in the construction field, and that's exactly what he's doing. He started as a general laborer. He's a carpenter and he's working his way up. Now he's at the point where he has learned how to read the blueprints, and now he's heading even higher in this field. Why does it pay? Running your own contracting business opens the door to higher margin projects. Being in charge of commercial buildings and remodeling projects, that can be very, very lucrative. So don't be discouraged because you don't have a college degree. Your high school diploma can be the beginning of a financially rewarding career. Just be willing to learn and hustle. Whether you prefer working with your hands, solving problems, selling, or managing projects, there's a six-figure future out there for you. No college degree requires. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope that this has been informative, and I hope that you're encouraged by the information that you have received. So don't let nothing stop you. Please hit the thumbs up button to give us a like, and subscribe to this channel, because I will be doing more research, digging out those high paying careers that you can use to generate a six-figure, a seven-figure income without having a college degree. And if you have any information that you would like to share with us in regards to this video, please do so by leaving your comments in this comment section, so that the person who is watching this video can also benefit from your input. Be on the lookout for our next videos, but until then, please be safe.